What if I told you that one of the simplest dishes in the world became a symbol of an entire culture? Today we're traveling to Italy, through food, to discover the story behind pasta, one of the most iconic dishes ever created. Pasta is more than just food in Italy. It's a tradition, a daily ritual, and a way of bringing people together. Across Italian homes, families gather around the table, sharing long meals, laughter, and recipes that have been passed down for generations. Every region in Italy has its own type of pasta, from long, delicate spaghetti to short, ridged penne, each shape designed to pair perfectly with a specific sauce. At its core, pasta is made from just a few ingredients: flour, water, and sometimes eggs. Simple elements, transformed into something extraordinary. The preparation is just as important as the ingredients. Pasta is boiled in salted water until it reaches the perfect al dente texture, firm to the bite, yet tender. Meanwhile, sauces are prepared with care, whether it's a fresh tomato sauce, a rich bolognese, or a creamy Alfredo. Once combined, the pasta absorbs the sauce, creating a perfect balance of flavor in every bite. But what truly makes pasta special is not just how it's made, it's how it's shared. In Italy, meals are not rushed. They are moments of connection, where food becomes a language of love, family, and tradition. So when you taste Italian pasta, you're not just enjoying a dish, you're experiencing a culture. Would you try authentic Italian pasta? And where should we travel next? Through food. Subscribe now and join us as we explore the world, one dish at a time.